As an engineer, I like to take the complicated parts of baking bread and distill them down into an easier method for the home baker. I feel like once you use the baking shell, it's pretty hard to go back to using any other method. I've helped people bake bread in their kitchens for over a decade at this point. Part of the enjoyment that I get from doing what I do is helping those people get over the hard parts of the baking process. Using cast iron in the home oven to bake bread, I think, is one of those things that a lot of people have done because it's been done before. The issue is that the pots and pans are heavy and it's searing hot. It's almost like trying to crack eggs with a hammer. The baking shell is designed so that heat can pass through it, but at the same time, it traps the steam escaping from the dough to create a humid environment to bake great bread. All of that is achieved with a lightweight shell that doesn't need to be preheated in the oven. One of the great reasons that Broad & Taylor and I work well together is the fact that we question things that might have been taken for granted, or we question things that have been in place for a long time. Anything that we can do to make that process easier makes the whole experience of baking bread much more enjoyable. The magic moment when you pull that loaf of bread from your oven is something that we want everyone to experience. Everyone has their own idea for what great bread is, and the baking shell enables any home baker to make the bread that they're after.